Hi everyone, it's Henry Purchase here, founder of SEO Space, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to do with our new SEO Tasks functionality. Now, there's a couple of ways in order to tackle and jump into fixing your Squarespace site once you've completed a site audit. You can either go through the scan pages, open the plugin here, and just go through the things that you need to fix. Or if you head over to our new SEO Tasks functionality, what we've done, we've listed out all the things that you need to fix on your site, all the tasks, and then we've categorized them based on whether they're critical, based on whether they're recommended, optional, or even all, as you can see here. So this gives you a different way in order to tackle your tasks, and it also allows you to prioritize your time so that you can focus on the things that are most likely to move the needle, i.e. your critical tasks. Now, just moving over to all tasks here, as you can see, these are all the different type of tasks that you can tackle. Let's say, for example, we go over to pages with missing SEO description. Now, just like with everything on SEO Space, we try and make everything jargon free. So on all of our tasks, if you're unsure what to specifically do in order to fix them, once you click on it, you'll see a tutorial in the top right-hand corner. And if you just go ahead and click on this, you'll be taken to a tutorial that'll explain what this thing is and how to specifically fix it on your Squarespace site. So let's say, for example, you don't know what thin content pages are. If you just click on that task and then watch your tutorial, that video will walk you through and explain what that specific task is and how to fix it. Now, just going back to the pages missing SEO description, just like with the scan pages, you can just click on those, click on this. It's going to show you all the pages impacted by this task. And then from there, you can just click view task and then view scan results. And SEO Space is going to automatically, our plugin will automatically open on this specific web page, highlighting that task that you need to fix, as well as the other things that you need to do to improve your SEO. So hopefully this is going to give you a new way to prioritize your tasks, give you guidance on how to fix them, and from there you can then use the plugin to optimize this specific web page and your Squarespace site. Now, before you go, I'm just going to walk you through something that's really important. As you go through and you change things on our plugin and you optimize your Squarespace site, the only thing that you need to remember to do, and we probably will automate this at some point, but for now, you need to press update tasks list. And what this is going to do, this is going to update the tasks you need to complete on this Squarespace site based upon the latest SEO score that you have. So please make sure that you go through and do that. And I'm really excited to hear your thoughts and feedback on this new SEO Tasks feature. Of course, if you do have any questions, feel free to go over to the support in the bottom right-hand corner of the SEO Space dashboard. Make sure you subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.